Steve Light, J.Racenstein, and this is Diamond Magic. Diamonds and magic. Put that together and what do you get? An exceptional general purpose cleanser. Anytime you've got something you want to scrub, whether it's hard water stains on glass or you're doing some metal restoration, those signs that stick out on the sides of buildings where they get covered in calcium deposits from sprinklers or any other kind of industrial or environmental junk that gets on the sign, this is going to clean it up great. Frames, mullions, the surrounds around the windows, anything like that that's metal. If you are working with stainless steel, go with the grain. Follow the grain. Otherwise, you'll see it kind of change it. But stainless steel has a grain. Follow the grain. You can use this on appliances, all kinds of great things. Diamonds, ground up industrial diamonds are in here as the aggregate. All right, that means that instead of rocks or pebbles or whatever they decided to grind up in some other aggregate, you're getting a very consistent and a very small, hard diamond piece in there to help you scrub off that surface. So we have people using this with power polishers, all right, and they're having great success in not swirling glass with this product. With a hand application, I have never heard of anyone swirling the product, although do be careful, all right, because it's so small and it's aggregate, it's really hard for it to cause scratches on glass or other hard surfaces. Wouldn't recommend it for paint, but it does do really well to take the haze off your lamps on your car, on the front of the car with the plastic covers. So multi-purpose, fabulous cleanser, Diamond Magic.